Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the deli pan in the Amana refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a couple of minutes to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new deli pan. This deli pan is located in the fresh food compartment. It's used for storing deli products. The main reason to replace the deli pan is if it's broken, making it not stay in place, or it makes it really hard to pull it out and push it back in. To get to the part, we need to open the fresh food door. The deli pan we're replacing is at the very bottom, so we can just pull it out, lift it up a little bit, and slide it out. Now we need to remove this frame from that plastic deli pan and put it on the new one. It's going to be fairly easy. Just lift that edge and pull this off. Turn it over. I'm gonna put it down, and now we're gonna place it on the new one. This is the old deli pan next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Alright, so now we're gonna put the white frame onto this new plastic deli pan. Top goes on, and we're gonna turn it around and press this in, and now we can place it into the refrigerator. So now we can slide that deli pan on the rails. Now we can close the door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.